This is another one of our API case studies. Today we're at the Church of Our Lady Help of Christians in Torquay, where we've installed a streaming and CCTV system. As you can see, this is an ornate building, being grade 1 listed. So there were certain restrictions on where we could place the camera. The remote pan tilt zoom camera just sits on a post screwed to the floor behind the little alcove that it looks through. We weren't allowed to fix to the stonework, so fixing to the floor behind was a simple solution that didn't impact the integrity of the building. Such a large building, the length of the cable run was actually 92 meters. So we had to use some fairly clever HD base T transmission system to make this work. And because we only really wanted to run one cable over that distance, we used a special unit which allowed us to combine the camera control, the video signal, networking, and the audio from a shotgun microphone into a single Cat6 cable running the entire length of the church and around underneath the front and into the vestry to the left-hand side. So here in the vestry is the control unit. So we have the sound system and the video switcher in the cabinet, and then on top we have the monitor and then our own controller, allowing us to quickly access different images, controlling the pan tilt zoom camera. And we can even start and stop the streaming from this point. So I hope that's been a useful summary of the system that we've put into this beautiful church on the hill in Torquay.